Hello everyone, my name is Ram. I work with several open source communities around the world, and one of my favorites has to be BuildPacks.
So can you give us a little introduction about what is BuildPacks and what do they do?
So BuildPacks actually stands for Cloud Native BuildPacks. The tool is used to build a container image out of any source code that gets supplied to it. So if you are used to doing builds using Docker and things like that, it's a great alternative to say Docker build. Instead, you do a build using BuildPacks.
BuildPacks will act as a replacement for your Docker files, right?
So when you use cloud native BuildPacks, the idea is you don't have to write and maintain Docker files. You don't have to write lots of YAML to configure certain things about your application and how it should be built into an image and things like that. So the whole process of containerization is reduced to certain primitives, and those primitives take the same defaults that BuildPacks come with, and it provides for a much better developer experience around the containerization process itself.
So I would say containerization is a pretty mature technology, and we've already got standards like the Dockerfile, and now we've got BuildPacks for simplifying the process of building containers. What do you think is going to be the next big thing in the container world in the next 5 to 10 years?
So building container images for different architectures is still not a solved problem. So a lot of us have seen slow images on M1, M2 Macs and things like that. And we've also seen not a lot of options available for people who are on a particular architecture but building images for some other architecture. So all of this new ARM64 stuff that has come up and versus the x86, that's a classic, all of those continue to coexist in this world with a lot of rough edges in between. And I think, smoothing that process is a big part of what the next few years is going to be in terms of containerization. From very far away, it looks like containers are a solved problem. But if you've tried connecting laptops to projectors at a conference, you know how hard like USB-C can be. So that's how the containerization world is too. So there's still a lot of rough edges that we need to smooth out before we can call containerization really mature.
And to end it off with a little fun take about what the future might look like. Do you think Kubernetes is ever going to stop relying on containers and might rely on something completely different?
I don't think so. Plus, I don't want to get kicked out of KubeCons forever. So, no. I think the notion of container images predate Kubernetes, and they'll continue to exist as one of the more powerful ways to create immutable artifacts that will function on Kubernetes.